In this video, I'll show you how to get a virtual card online. So, if you need a virtual credit card for free trials, whether it's Spotify, Netflix, or any other platform, then this video is for you. To start, click the link in the description below and you'll be taken to this page. This is TiVo. Now, TiVo provides both physical cards and virtual cards with secure and fast transactions. And it's available in over 200 countries. So simply register an account with email address and password. After that, download TiVo app from Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and log in with your account. First thing you'll see is physical card and virtual card. Now, before applying for a virtual card, there are a few things we need to complete. First one is to verify your identity. Select if you are a USA resident, then select your country. Now enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then tap on Next. Here you need to select your document type. Don't worry, TiVo uses Jumio for identity verification, which is also used by Revolut. Anyways, for me, I will select an ID card. Then upload your document front and back side images. Then enter the document number along with the expiry date if it has. Next, share your residential address and click on Submit on the bottom. It usually takes 2 minutes for the verification to complete. Before applying for virtual card, we need to deposit some funds. Wait, then what's the purpose of a virtual card if you're gonna add money from your card? Worry not. You can add through USDT, tap on Deposit, and select USDT. As for the network, select BNB Smart Chain, then copy your address. Now open any third-party crypto exchange platform. For me, I'll use Binance. Simply select USDT and paste your wallet address and select BNB Smart Chain as network. Enter the amount you want to deposit and then withdraw. Once all done, click on Apply Cards on the top right. Then select Virtual Card. Key features are listed in each of these cards. I recommend going with Platinum Card as it's more flexible, like it can be connected through Apple and Google Pay and even with PayPal. Both virtual cards cost $20. To get it, simply tap Apply Now. It also needs your real-time face verification to match with the provided documents. So make sure to complete the face verification as well. Make sure your phone number is added. Now, after creating your payment code, you will be able to see your virtual card. Now, to get your card number, click on CVV and enter your payment code. And here is your virtual card number. You can now use it for your free trials too. If you want to purchase something else, make sure to top up your card. So, hope this helps. This is how to get virtual card for free trials.